How to tape a broken pinky toe. Broken toes are a common injury, especially to the pinky, smallest fifth toe, which is more vulnerable to getting stubbed and crushed. Although fractures to the big toe often need a cast or splint to heal properly, dealing with a broken pinky toe often involves a taping technique called buddy taping, which can be done at home. However, if the broken pinky toe is really crooked, flattened, or if a bone has pierced the skin, then emergency medical help is required. Taping a broken toe. Determine if taping is appropriate. Most fractures of the toes, including the pinky, are stress or hairline fractures, which are tiny cracks in the bone surface. See your doctor for an X-ray of your foot if the pain doesn't get significantly better within a few days. Stress fractures can be difficult to see on X-ray if there's lots of swelling. If there is lots of swelling, your doctor may recommend a bone scan to identify the stress fracture. Stress fractures of the pinky can occur with strenuous exercise, lots of jogging or aerobics, for examples, improper training techniques at the gym, trauma from stubbing the toe or dropping something heavy on it, and severely sprained ankles. Clean your feet and toes. Anytime you're dealing with a body injury by using some sort of supportive tape, it's best to clean the area first. Cleaning the area will remove bacteria and other microorganisms that could potentially cause an infection, such as fungus, as well as any dirt and debris that can prevent the tape from sticking well to your toes. If you really want to sanitize your toes, feet and remove most of the natural oils, use an alcohol-based sanitizing gel or lotion. Make sure to completely dry your toes and the spaces in between before any using gauze or tape. Put some gauze or felt between your toes. Once you've identified that your pinky toe is broken, but not too severely, then the first step of buddy taping is to put some gauze, felt or piece of cotton between your little toe and the toe next to it, called the fourth toe. Use enough sterile gauze, felt or cotton balls between your fourth and fifth toes so that it doesn't easily fall out before securing it with tape. If your skin is sensitive to medical tape, maybe it gets irritated and itchy from the adhesive, then wrap the gauze completely around your fourth and fifth toes and cover as much of the skin as possible before using tape. Tape your pinky and fourth toes together. After you've placed some sterile gauze, felt or cotton between your toes, loosely tape the fourth and fifth toes together with some medical or surgical tape made for applying to the body. This is the buddy tape method, as you're essentially using your fourth toe as a splint to support, stabilize and protect your broken pinky toe. Wrapping the tape too tight will cut off circulation and turn the ends of your toes a purplish-blue color. Your toes will also feel numb or tingly if you've wrapped the tape too tight. Reduced circulation to your toes also slows down the healing process, so make sure to buddy tape the toes together firmly, but loose enough that blood flows normally. If you don't have any medical or surgical tape sold at regular pharmacies, then duct tape, electrician's tape or small, narrow Velcro straps can work also. Most simple stress fractures of the toes take about 4 weeks or so to heal properly, so plan on buddy taping for the majority of that time. Change the tape and gauze daily. Buddy taping toes together to give support and promote healing is an ongoing process, not just a one-time procedure. If you shower or bathe every day, then you should re-tape your toes on a daily basis because wet gauze or felt is less effective at preventing blisters and the water starts to dissolve the adhesive glue on the tape. If you bathe every other day, then you can wait an additional day to re-tape your toes unless your feet get wet from some other reason, such as getting caught in a rainstorm or flood. Using water-resistant medical, surgical tape may reduce the frequent need to re-tape, but any time the gauze, cotton between your toes gets wet or even damp, you should redo it. Remember not to use too much tape, even if it's loosely applied, because you may not be able to fit your foot into your shoes properly. Too much tape also triggers overheating and sweating.